Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. I thought I'd do something a bit different today and describe my YouTube analytics and the actual ad revenue I'm generating from the channel. So when I started the channel back in January this year, it's about 9 months ago, I really had no idea if I'd ever get funded and actually get any videos to do anything, any views as such. So it's a real surprise that after about 7 or 8 months, I actually got funded with YouTube. Now, the process of getting funded is you need to have a minimum of 1,000 subscribers and have over 4,000 hours of watched video time. And that just seemed at the time never ending. I thought I'd never get there. But eventually by grinding away, you do actually get there in the end. Since I started the channel, I've now produced over 150 videos and well over 150,000 views. So it's actually starting to gain momentum and my subscriber level is now at 1.9 thousand. So I really have been pleased with the progress we've made. It's been a fantastic journey. I've learned a lot from it. So originally I started the channel just to document my process as a funded trader and give advice and hopefully inspire other people to do the same thing. Now I started the channel also to try and get some extra income as a passive income. So the theory being behind, if you can generate enough videos, enough content, then they will be able to generate revenue just by getting clicks over the period of time. Now every channel is different. The actual rate you get paid by YouTube per click is different. Depending on the content and depending on the advertisers who are bidding to actually go on your channel. So it's good to share what I'm making, so whether people come inspired to create their own channel or just being nosy. Now in the YouTube studio, they actually give a really good breakdown of all the metrics, how many views you're getting, how many subscribers, who's actually returning viewers, geographies, and more interestingly, the actual revenue you're generating. So let's have a quick look in the studio and see what the channel makes. Okay, so on the actual dashboard itself, you can see current video, how the progress is doing, as well as the number of subscribers. But what's really key is in the analytics. So in the analytics, typically shows the last 28 days of video uploads, how many views you've had, watch time hours, how many additional subscribers the channel's put on, and the estimated ad revenue. So by clicking on revenue, so we can see the previous 28 days, I'm expecting to get £178. Now that is based on what I call an RPM, which is essentially the value you get paid per 1,000 views or 1,000 clicks on the videos. Now, additional way to get more revenue and more adverts on the videos is to have the videos over 8 minutes in length. Now, the majority of my content, because I've seen the stats, people don't generally watch beyond 2 or 3 minutes. That's why the majority of my videos are quite short, between 2 and 4 minutes long. So the only generating income I'm getting is from the either banners on the videos or the first advert at the beginning, which people can skip very easily. So scrolling down, we can see the actual breakdown per month. Now I got monetized in July, I think about the 20th. So those 10 days brought in £47.52. August was quite a slow month. I don't think there was many videos uploaded and the views weren't that great. So only £111. And September has been a big month. I've done a lot more videos, a lot more views, and therefore September revenue estimated is going to be £192. And looking at the revenue source over the period of that particular time for the entire period, we can see the total estimated revenue is going to be £375. So we can see from that the revenue isn't massive by any stretch of the imagination, but it is now going to become consistent, and the more videos got uploaded, the more clicks I'm likely to get in the future, especially if some of the videos are more answering specific questions and therefore going to get more traction for a longer period of time. So if you start to look at how much time and effort is required to do a particular video, so again, the reason why I keep mine quite short is I don't have to go through a massive scripting process. The editing doesn't take too long. I can just upload them very quickly. But still, let's say a 5-minute video might take 15-20 minutes to record with all the gaps and all of the sort of outtakes. Probably about a similar sort of time to edit. And then obviously you've got the converting that into a usable format, uploading it to actually the internet, creating thumbnails. So you're probably talking over an hour just for a 5-minute video. Now currently those 5-minute videos probably get between 500 and 1,000 views. Some do significantly more, some a little bit less. But let's say we get between 500 and 1,000 views. That's going to be between £3 and £6 based on the current rate that YouTube pays me. So as an hourly rate, it's not fantastic, but the whole thing of this is not just about the revenue. It's actually an enjoyable thing to do. I enjoy creating the content. I enjoy sort of engaging with the subscribers and you guys over a period of time. And I'm hoping that although I'm only 150 videos now, by the time a year is up, 2 years is up, whoever knows is going to last, then there'll be hundreds or thousands of videos on the channel, and that'll be a great source for loads of people in the future just to come, click on, watch those, and just keep generating a passive income for a long period of time. So I hope you enjoyed my quick video on how much a small YouTube channel can make. I would definitely recommend anyone who's got a passion or real interest in a particular subject, even if it's quite a niche one, go out, create a channel, create some content, engage with people. You'd be surprised how quickly you can get to that monetized state and how soon you can start getting those rewards. And who knows, you might be able to become a full-time lifestyle YouTuber. So thanks for watching. I'll catch you again soon. Cheers.